It's a mass spoofer, the one, the only, the original, authentic Decal from Decatur. That's where I am today, Decatur, in the country where it's legal to shoot fireworks. Not get people's faces in here. Let me just I can get no. Oh, don't. No faces. No kid faces. That loud. Oh, here we go. Wow.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
I'll just point the camera out here while they light it because I don't want to get kids in the picture. But someone over there yonder, is shooting fireworks as well. So, here we go.
Make that spin. Make that Dorian.
Lift off. Cool. You want to see all the smoke? Let me, let's see. While they set one up, I will see if we can get someone over yonder. And the blue wide yonder is shooting fireworks as well. It's a pretty view, isn't it? It's hot and humid out here. It's like, oh, I need some bug spray. It's 50% humidity right now, I think. At least the temperature's dropped some. It was 100 degrees today. Cool. Ooh, this one has more than one. Everyone but fireworks. My husband and I spent $200 on fireworks. We got those really big ones and then some small ones.
I wish I had a cigar. Yeah, but yours are those big fat things. You never did bring me a girly.
I see that. Yep. Let me,
Canatello's a nice thin cigar.
cool. Look at that.
Not one of those great big fat Churchills.
Yeah. What's up?
Okay, I'll start a new video. Oh, wait. My husband's doing another one. Okay, I'm gonna start a new video because it takes forever to upload these here lately. Oh, look. Never mind. Let me get this. Oh, come on. I missed it. Wow. Oh, there we go. There's some more. I should really stop this. It is so hot outside. Ooh, cool. Okay.